My name is Erin Yancey and I'm the Public Works Planning Manager for the City of Harrisonburg. I'm going to share with you details about the project to realign University Boulevard between Forest Hill Road and the old Convocation Center on the campus of James Madison University, as well as to construct a shared use path between Port Republic Road and Carrier Drive. University Boulevard is a major collector serving about 10,000 vehicles per day between Port Republic Road and Reservoir Street. These are areas where we have concentrations of traffic generators like housing, shopping and services, as well as the campus of James Madison University, which is a major destination in the community as well as a jobs hub. The purpose of the project is to realign and redesign University Boulevard to better meet the travel needs and accessibility needs of the people and commerce taking place on the corridor. So what do I mean by better? Better in the context of this area of the city means that we'll be adding bicycle and pedestrian facilities to connect to the existing ones on Port Republic Road and Carrier Drive. It means there will be shorter travel times for vehicles and buses, and it will be accessible by people of all abilities in the community. To show you how this project will meet these objectives, let's look at the preliminary plans. So to orient yourself, this is Port Republic Road over here. This is the existing Forest Hill Road. Typically, drivers would turn left to stay on the existing University Boulevard along this alignment and continue on towards Reservoir Street this way. The project will change the alignment of University Boulevard so that you would not stop at this intersection. You would continue on through and have a more direct travel path to continue towards Reservoir Street. The project will add a shared use path on the east side of the road here. Unfortunately, we were not able to put it on the west side because of constraints with retaining walls and commercial property impacts. So the shared use path will be 10 feet wide and it will cross University Boulevard on the north side of the intersection and continue on the west side of the road. There will be a rectangular rapid flashing beacon, which is the flashing lights you may be familiar with on other city streets and on campus, that will automatically actuate when a cyclist or pedestrian is detected at the crosswalk. So drivers will be alerted that somebody is crossing. A shared use path will also connect to the existing path along the existing University Boulevard alignment. This path will remain in place as another option to use for walking and biking, and will connect to bicycle and pedestrian infrastructure on campus. The orange hatching over the existing alignment of the University Boulevard indicates that this area will be eradicated and seeded over so that this area will be impervious again for rainwater to infiltrate. You'll see that we have stormwater management facilities here and here to treat runoff from the project. You will notice that there are 8 buildings that will be removed to make way for the new alignment of the street. These properties are owned by James Madison University and are being donated for the project. The project also extends a new intersection to the new University Boulevard to connect drivers to the University Recreation Center. The existing bus stops impacted by the project will be relocated along the new alignment. The new intersection does not currently warrant a traffic signal, but this is a possibility for the future, and the city will continue to monitor the intersection for traffic conditions that would warrant a signal. Additionally, a 5-foot sidewalk will be constructed on the east side of the new alignment and will connect to hiking paths in the Arboretum. Continuing down University Boulevard, the new alignment ends right around the old Convocation Center parking lot. A right turn lane will be provided onto the new driver drive alignment to the University Rec Center. Parking will be rearranged on campus to allow for consolidation of parking lot entrances so that there will be a more continuous pedestrian and bicycle path with less conflict points. The shared use path continues all the way along the existing alignment of the University Boulevard and connects to sidewalks and bike lanes on Carrier Drive. It also connects on the other end to existing sidewalks and bike lanes on Port Republic Road. The bicycle and pedestrian facilities will be constructed to current standards for widths and grades so that it is accessible to people of all abilities. As you can see, the new alignment is approximately 1,000 feet shorter than the existing alignment, and it removes the stop control from the major movement. This will result in shorter travel times for vehicles and buses. The new alignment softens curves and hills and improves sight distance from the entrances into parking lots and onto campus, which will result in a safer facility for all modes of travel. The improved connection between Port Republic Road and Reservoir Street will provide a more attractive option for people trying to reach the commercial area between Reservoir Street and East Market Street, which will result in fewer trips using exit 245 for I-81 up to exit 247 to access that location. This will be a positive change so that capacity on the interstate is maintained for long distance travel and local trips stay on local streets. A feasibility study was conducted that analyzed different alternatives for the new alignment of University Boulevard. This alignment was selected as the preferred alternative as it provided the most functionality for the traveling public and was the easiest to construct in a constrained environment. Included in the feasibility study was an analysis of who uses University Boulevard. It was found that 60% of people using University Boulevard, accessing it from Port Republic Road, continue on to Reservoir Street without stopping anywhere in between. This indicates that this route is highly used by both city residents and the JMU community, and making it a more functional connection will benefit the entire community. The shared use path is separated from the street by a vegetated buffer that will contain street trees, providing a multitude of benefits to the users of the new street. This project is funded by the Virginia Department of Transportation, James Madison University, and the city contributing project management to complete the project.